This is the AdvanTex AX-Max Retrofit Gasket installation video. These step-by-step instructions will help you save time and money by performing your own gasket replacement on Orenco's AX-Max treatment units. The retrofit kit includes ABS strips, arch shims, extended lid latch hooks, gasket adhesive, gasket material, hold-down screws. Additional materials required: acetone and clean rags, 2-part epoxy, power drill or impact driver, 5/16" hex driver, palm sander, scraper, scissors, pencil or marker. Step 1. Remove the old gasket. Open the lids on the AX-Max unit. Use a scraper to remove the old gasket material. Be sure that none of the old material is left on the unit. Then, clean away and discard all of the old gasket debris from the gasket installation area. Step 2. Install the arch shims. Use a palm sander to roughen the gel coat on the tops of the arches. Then, using a clean rag and acetone, wipe off the tops of the arches and the bottoms of the arch shims. Place the shims on the arches and mark the center on both the arch and the shim. Narrow shims fit the arches on the ends of the unit, and wide shims fit the arches in the middle. Set the shims aside and dispense a 1/2" bead of epoxy down the middle of each arch. Use the 5/16" screws to secure the shims to the arches. Then wipe away any excess epoxy and allow it to cure. The arch shim ends may need to be ground back at an angle. Step 3. Install the ABS strips. Dry fit all ABS strips. Trim the strips to match the location of the old gasket. Using a clean rag and acetone, wipe off the gasket mounting surfaces and ABS strips. Dispense a 1/4" bead of epoxy onto the surface. Then press the strip into place and wipe away any excess epoxy. 5/16" screws may be needed to secure the ABS strip over the arch shims. Repeat this process for the other 3 sides and then allow the epoxy to cure. Then remove the screws. Step 4. Install the new gasket. Wipe down the ABS strips using a rag and acetone. Trim a relief notch for each corner as you work around the perimeter of the lid opening. Apply gasket adhesive to half of the ABS strip on the unit's latch side. Place an end of the new gasket onto the ABS strip where the glue has been applied and continue working around the unit, gluing the gasket onto the ABS strip. The rubber flange on the gasket should face towards the inside of the unit. Be sure the gasket is firmly pressed down onto the ABS strip. Trim the gasket so the start and end points butt up flush to one another. Do not leave a gap or overlap. Then make sure the gasket is secured to the ABS strips around the entire perimeter. Step 5. Install the extended lid latch hooks. Remove the existing lid latch hook. This may require a box end or hex wrench, and the entire bracket may require removal depending on the unit's age. Keep all the bolts and nuts. Install the extended lid latch hook into the same location as the one you removed. There are 2 lid latch hooks per lid. Once the lid latch hooks are installed, close and latch the lid. Then, check the perimeter of the lid for gasket contact. If you have any questions about the retrofit process or about any other Orenco products, please call your Orenco account manager or sales engineer. You can also visit Orenco.com for more contact information.